What is up, guys? It's Chester here, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own map so people can download it and everything and play it on Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get right into today's adventure. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open your maps for Minecraft, and you're going to want to hit the 3 lines right here by the home button, and you're going to hit submit a map. It's going to sign me in. You have to be signed in to do this, and let's just choose a random one. I'll just do this one, and then you need to name it. I'll just name it test, and then you'll write what it's about, and also you need to choose that like that, and then you need to choose a category that best describes your map. Then you're gonna hit add screenshot for your map so they know what it's like. I'm just gonna do one of our dog because this is not really gonna be a map, so you guys probably couldn't download it. Then you probably have to wait until it uploads, and I'll be back once it uploads. Okay, so I'm back and it has uploaded, and then if you want to, you can put a link to a YouTube video of your map. Then you'll just hit next. It will submit your map, and it should actually just, honestly, it should just submit it for you, but it didn't work for me. So that's how you basically do it, and then other people can search it and have fun with it. So that's going to end up today's adventure. If you guys liked today's video, make sure to slap that like button, and you guys know what to do. Subscribe, turn on the post notifications, like, comment, and until next time, make sure to stay positive, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!